Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a haul from Surprise Creation. Okay, I received this die and this is like a jar. The lid right here, this is for the label, and these beans that you can cut and put it in there and make a shaker or something. But I made a card using some of these items, but not the beans. Okay, and here is my sample. As you can see right here, I cut the lid in gold. Then right here for the jar, I cut it in white. And then I made these cookies just by cutting circles by hand. Okay, so it's not a perfect circle. And then as you can see right here, in a darker brown, I cut squares like chocolate chips. Okay, and then I glue them there, and I got an acetate and I just cut it by hand. Okay, all around, and then I put the lid on top and the ribbon. Okay, so it can look like a real jar. And then this is the label, and I printed this one, cookies for Santa, and then I just glue it in there. Okay, and this is how it looks. See, the next die that I received is this one. This is a square. I think this one is like 5 inches, 5 by 5, and this one is like a 3-draw window with this design of a Christmas tree. And I made a card that looks like this. See, I cut it in gold, and the die cuts the gold part. Okay, so the gold marks right here from the die, and then my background was green, and I just put glitter glue in the holes of the tree so you can see better the shape. Okay, and it's shimmery glitter glue. See, and it looks very nice. The next die that I received is this one. Is gingerbread man cookie, and it comes with this one, so you can cut this one in one color and put it in the back so you can see all the designs right here for the eyes and everything. And I cut it in white. Okay, white and then brown. So when I put up here, okay, in the white one, I just put glitter glue. So this one is the embellishment. Okay, and then I just cut pieces of red cardstock in using this die, and then I just got the cards and put it in there, and same for the mouth, for the eyes. Okay, in black, and then I put it on top of the holes, and I just use this white marker and put these dots, and that's it. This is how my card looks like. Then I got this die set. Okay, and this one is like a Christmas light. Okay, a bowl, and it has this part up here so you can make a shaker card, and this one goes on top so you can make in a different color. And you can use it in a tag, in a shaker card, so it's a nice size for a card. Okay, and I made a Slimline card, and I use 3 colors. Okay, as you can see right here, I just use the base only. Okay, and I didn't want to make a shaker, nothing for my card. It was very simple, but I just tied this thread right here in gold, and it looks like some lights resting, right? So in the inside, I just stamped Happy Holidays. See, so it doesn't have any labels, nothing. It's very simple, but I love it. And for most of my cards, I didn't use labels that says Christmas, something like that on top. But inside, I stamp like this one, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Then, for example, right here, 'tis the season. And this one says Happy Holidays. See? And for this card, I also used one of the dies look at this, it has double stitch, okay, and it's for a slimline card from Surprise Creations. They have beautiful dies for that. If you are loving the slimline cards, here is this one that has scallops, and this one is the one that has double stitch. See, and it comes 8. Right here comes with 5. Okay, 5 dice. So you get these two as a set. Okay, then they also have this one right here, and as you can see right here, this one is just a stitch, and this one is like dots. Okay, so you can oh, and this one is dotted inside and out. Okay, so if you want to make a hollow frame, the dots will be all around, and if you want to just cut a frame, it will be dots in the inside. And both of them are the same. Okay, as you can see, this one has stitches and a line right here that cuts the paper, so you get stitches inside and outside. Okay, and both sets, they have 9 dies in each one, so they are selling these slimline dies, okay, as a set of 2, so that will be 18 dies. Then they also have these slimline die sets, okay, and I didn't make a sample for this one, but I want to show you. This one has the stitches, as you can see right here, stitches border, and then this one that has 4 windows, okay, and right here says love it, zap, and cool. And this one is like for making something like animation, cartoons design, and there are samples in the website, okay, of the store, so you can see how it looks. And I also got this another slimline. I don't have samples for this one, and it's like with this edge right here. I think you can fold it and make something, maybe put it as a opening or something. And it has this, okay, right here. This is just a frame, and this one is for decoration of the inside, and this one looks like scales, okay, like for ocean or mermaids designs theme, so you can use this one. Okay, so these two are on the website as well with samples, and I have these 2 more. And this one is a design from Nicole Silhouette. Okay, you will see a lot of samples in the website and also in her channel. And for this one, this is a page of a journal. It has the holes for the A5 journal, and right here, look, the frame is stitched, and you can place this one on top, and when you cut, you can cut only this part up here, so they can tear up, and there is a surprise in there. This one has 25, so it's like for Christmas, so it can be fun for people who likes journaling. Okay, so now the last one that I don't have samples, and I'm so sorry for not making samples for these ones, is this set that has 9 dice, okay, and this looks like a drop, okay, and also it can be like this way. So now let's continue with the ones who have samples. And I got this one, and this is like a snow ball, okay, and this one has this piece right here for the base, and it comes with it extra right here. Okay, and when I cut it all and folded, the other part right here was only up to here, so it didn't fit for my design, so I just cut it up here, and I just cut this piece, okay, and I use it as a base. Then I put all that stuff on top. This is, for example, the background, okay, and then you can put this one on top and all the things, and this one on the base right here. So I'm going to show you my design and how it looks, okay. And here is the card that I made. Okay, here is the base is bigger than all the things that go inside, and as you can see, this is the base of the snowball. And right here I cut with this dotted using this die. Then right here for the trees, it comes with two trees. One is smaller. So what I did is I just used a white marker pen and I just drew some snow. Then right here I put behind the windows a little piece of gold, okay, and all these parts come, okay, right here for the house, as you can see right here, this one. And you have everything that is here in this set, okay. For example, right here there's snow of the house. And for the card, I paper piece with black and silver. See? So this is my sample for this one. And I also got this lantern right here in this set of dies, but I didn't put on the card. And I made a sample. And this one comes in 3 pieces, okay? Only the red part. And right here in the back, as you can see, I just use a piece of chipboard and I glue the 3 parts in there, and this gold paper behind, okay? So the gold paper is here, and then the chipboard, and then you have a very cute lantern for any card, okay? It was too many things in this one, that's why I didn't put it. Okay, now let me show you one more. And here I have another set of dies, and this one is a scroll. As you can see right here, all this part of the scroll, and then these are tea lights, and these are like a paper clip, and these are for putting on the sides right here, and these are part of the tea lights, okay. And right here says wish list. I didn't make the tea lights and I didn't use this one, but I made the scroll, okay. And I'm going to show you my sample, and it's this one right here. See, I just cut the base of the scroll, okay, the base, and I don't know if I can show you. I cut this part, okay, so you don't see right here in the base, but then I paper piece cutting another part, okay, for the top, and I just curved a little bit and I put a dimensional tape inside so it can look like this dimensional effect. And I glued these parts right here, these ones right here, okay, on this side that looks like wood, that it's inside of the scroll, right? So same as at the bottom, I use distress ink. And then this is from Surprise Creation as well. It's a set of poinsettias, and here are the pine leaves, and this one comes in the same set. And here is the word that says wish list, and not just a scribble that is simulating the wish list or in the scroll, okay. And same as the other ones, I just stamp happy holidays inside. So this is my sample for this one. And the last die set that I got is this one. Is a cupcake page for a small mini album, and or a journal maybe. And I made a little mini album, okay. So this one are parts of the cupcake, and if you want to make pages, you just can cut with this one and put it together, okay. And this is the decoration. Now if you put on a journal, you can make a pocket or something and put it in your journal with these holes right here. And I made this small mini album for a birthday, and here is the cupcake. I just put a big rhinestone right here, And then for this paper it had the lines, okay, but I just use glitter glue, erasing glitter glue, and I just make stripes right here and all around so you can have that shiny, okay. And then I put happy birthday, then there are fibers on the side and this pom pom, okay. And this is the back as well, okay, same pom poms. And then some mats that I made for these mini albums, and this is very simple, just put mats using this glitter paper and white cardstock and some rhinestones, okay. As you can see, it has some rhinestones, paper, and that's it, okay. Only 4 pages for this tiny mini album, so it can be a very nice for an addition to a big mini album, or you can give away to a friend or kids, okay. So because of the sweets, and it's so super cute. I hope you enjoy all my samples and get inspired with some ideas. And if you want to buy any of these dies, please visit Surprise Creation. The links are going to be in the description box. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.